पुढे पुढे आगे जाते
ग्लास बॉटल
the headmaster of this prestigious institution, St. Brito's High School, Mapsa, the PT teacher, all you dear students, can you hear me behind? Yes. And girls of India, that you need to send this message, and that is why you are here for this mission Swachh Sagar, Surakshit Sagar, and let us clean today and send a message. And if you are on Instagram, if you are on social media, this photograph should reach the Prime Minister of our country that we are your ambassadors. We are here to send a message to all the Indian tourists and also to the locals that let us keep our surroundings clean, let us keep our beach clean, let us send this strong message across India. I thank the father and the PT teacher and all of you who have come over here to send this message of Swachh Sagar and Clean Goa mission. Thank you very much.
Okay, boys.
Yes. And who have to learn the basics. The basics are learned in the school. That cleanliness is next to godliness. I think everybody prays to God, right? Yes. So cleanliness is like that. So if you keep your house clean, your surroundings clean, and I think it should start when you are young. It should come within you. You should develop this as a daily routine, that I will keep myself clean. I will keep my house clean. I will keep my washroom clean. I will keep my surroundings clean. Prime Minister of our country walked on the beach. Can you tell me which beach he walked? To keep the beach clean, to send a message to our Indians. Tell me which beach. One famous beach in India he walked. Your general knowledge is bad. Nobody knows? Huh? Baga? Huh? No. It is not in Goa. Boys, you are in standard 10. So you should know this. Prime Minister walked with a bag. Only one boy knows. You all should know this. He walked with the garbage bag, with the gloves how you have put in your hand. the gloves, and he walked this beach. This is a very famous beach of India. Very few people travel over there. Lakshadweep. He said, let us clean all the beaches of India. Let us keep it clean. And I think it should start from the schools. Not only the beach, but the school surroundings, your house surroundings, your ward surroundings. Ward means the ward which you stay. Your MAPSA clean. And I feel that you are the ambassadors of our Prime Minister, Narendra Ji Modi. Narendra Ji Modi said, I want all the boys and girls who are just coming up in life, I want them to be my ambassadors to send a message of Mission Clean India, Mission Clean Beaches, Mission Clean all the surroundings. Only then India will progress. We are talking about economical growth. We are talking about India being the largest strongest economical country in the world. Financially strong. We'll get jobs, we'll create jobs. But if we do not keep our house in order, that is cleanliness, nothing is possible. We cannot move ahead. Nobody will come over here. No tourist will come over here if we do not keep it clean. Mostly, this beach is being littered on daily basis by tourists. Daily basis. But if the same tourist goes international, goes to Singapore, goes to Dubai, they will not throw this tissue. You can see so many tissues over here. They will not throw it on the beach. They'll put it in their pocket and they'll take it to the nearest bin and put it over there. The same tourist over here will litter. This is inbuilt in our system.
Towards him, I request Master Vinayak Ugwe to present him with a potted plant. I now call upon Father Basil Wago to share a few points with us about this drive.
First of all, before I speak, I would like our minister to speak, the MLA of this constituency, to guide us and tell us what is the purpose of this cleanliness drive. For the Standard 9, and as part of the IDA subject that we have, interdisciplinary subject, one of the topics there is on environmental science, keeping our environment clean. We, the students of Britos, along with the staff, we believe in deeds, not words. And therefore today we are here to express our sincere gratitude to the MLA of this constituency, the Kalangur constituency, who has given us an opportunity today, made all the arrangements for us so that we have this good drive, a coastal cleanup week that we are going to celebrate, so that all our beaches are clean, our environment, our surroundings are clean, and we do this keeping in mind our conscience. We build up a good conscience of cleanliness within ourselves, within our surroundings, and among the people that we work with. And therefore today, I wish you all the best. And let this be a sign for others to follow, a model for others to follow, that we need to keep our surroundings clean, and especially when we come and enjoy the pleasure of these beaches, so that our beaches are clean, so that we all become responsible citizens. So let us enjoy this day doing this beautiful work of cleanliness. I wish you all the best.
हांव शंकर गोवेकार, टीचर फ्रॉम सेंट ब्रिटो हाय स्कूल म्हापसा. हांगा भुरग्यांक आमी बीच क्लेनलीनस ड्रायवाक घेवन आयला. आमचो बीच क्लेनलीनस ड्रायव हो बागा टू कलांगूट असो आयोजीत केल्लो आसा. आयच्या ह्या सोहळ्याक बीच क्लेनलीनस ड्रायवाक फ्लॅग ऑफ करपा खातीर कलांगूटचे आमदार श्री मायकल लोबो हांगा उपस्थित आशिल्ले. आमकां खबर आसा की आंतरराष्ट्रीय कोस्टल क्लीनअप डे हो जगभर 3ऱ्या शेनवारा सप्टेंबराच्या एव्हरी इयर मनयलो गेलो वता. 2022 भारत सरकारच्या वतीन आमचे ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्या लिडरशिपी खातीर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ सायन्स हाणें हो कोस्टल क्लीनअप डे साजरो करपाचो ठरयलो. ताज्या अनुसार आझादी का अमृत महोत्सव हाच्या अंडर हो क्लीनअप डे घेवन स्वच्छ सागर सुरक्षीत सागर करपाचो आवेश आमी दवरला. आता रोखडोच आमचो सीजन स्टार्ट जाता. इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट आमच्या गोंयांत व्हड्या प्रमाणान येता. आमचे बीचीस हे बरे आसचे, बरे क्लीन आसचे हे एक उद्दिश्ट दवरून तांकां आमी आमच्या भुरग्यां मार्फत दाखोवन दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. हो इनिशिएटीव हो बेसिकली एनवायरमेंटल कन्झर्वेशन घेवन आमचे जे बीचीस आसा, आमचे जे वॉटर बॉडीज आसा ते क्लीन दवरपा खातीर एक उद्दिश्ट आमी दवरला. बेसिकली हो कोस्टल क्लीनअप डे 15 सप्टेंबर ते 20 सप्टेंबर 2025 हांगाच्यान स्टार्ट केल्लो आसा. ताचोच एक भाग म्हणून सेंट ब्रिटो हायस्कूलचे विद्यार्थी हांगा येवन हो बीच क्लिनिनस ड्रायव्ह आमी सुरवात केल्या. ताजे बरोबर नॅशनल एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी हाच्या अंतर्गत एनवायरमेंटल सायन्स हो सब्जेक्ट आसा आनी तो सब्जेक्टा भितर एक IDA इंटर डिसिप्लिनरी एरियाजा खातीर जो अवेअरनेस प्रोग्राम जो इंट्रोड्यूस केला अंडर द परिसर अभ्यासाच्या सकयल ताचोच एक भाग म्हणून भुरग्यांक आमी ताच्या अंडर ताची एक अवेअरनेस करून तांकां तो प्रोजेक्ट दिवन तांकां ग्रेड्स दितले. धन्यवाद.